Hold strong and buy the dip if possible. Now, hold strong and buy the dip is information I wish I'd have been told in 2008 in the financial crisis, because the financial crisis led me to 10 years of negativity around money, around investing. Don't let this be you. If I could go back and tell myself to keep investing in property, to keep investing, keep educating yourself, keep learning, it would have made a massive difference. Stock markets are down, crypto markets are down. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt is kicking around big time. Everyone is panicking, and this reminds me so much of 2008, certainly from my point of view. I was so anxious around money and investing, and it didn't do me any favors. I didn't have any financial education, I wasn't financially literate, and hopefully today's video will help you. It will help you invest when markets are down. It will help you go shopping at the sales as the experts recommend. Take a long-term approach. Focus on educating yourself on crypto and blockchain technology. If you're a beginner, focus on Bitcoin and maybe Ethereum. Ignore the noise. Ignore what's happening with the Fed. Ignore what's happening with the Bank of England, geopolitics, price news, institution adoption. Whatever's going on, try and ignore the noise. It will help you as an investor. Dollar cost average. So that is investing every month despite what's going on. So if you have £200 a month to invest or £500, whatever it is, you invest despite market ups and downs. That could be in stocks and shares, or it could be in Bitcoin or Ethereum, or it could be in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Whatever it is, dollar cost average. Invest with money you are willing to lose. And if you have spare money to invest, go shopping and buy the dip if possible. The system is broken. The system is broken because of corrupt governments and central banks. It's good for them as inflation reduces equality. The inequality gap is getting bigger. The top 1% have a lot of liquidity and put it straight into assets. This is harder for the other 99% and means we must work hard to get on top of our finances. It's hard, but I do believe anything's possible. Look into inflation, and in my opinion, you'll realise that the system is broken. Look into inflation, and in my opinion, it'll lead you to Bitcoin. Fiat currency can be manipulated. The share price of a company can be manipulated. The price of gold can be manipulated. You get the point. On the other hand, Bitcoin can't be manipulated. It cannot be manipulated. It's decentralized and it's limited. The supply is limited to 21 million. Unlike fiat currency, where governments and central banks can print as much as they want, and that's what's causing the inflation. That's what's causing the price of everything to go up. Markets crashing. Do your own research. Please do your own research. This is a big one. Just look what's happened recently with Luna and UST. The price of Luna recently dropped plus 99% to almost nothing. I didn't see this coming, and I don't think anyone else did. Many people will have lost thousands and even millions in some cases. My heart goes out to them, and I have empathy for how they're currently feeling. I lost my life savings in the stock market in 2010 and 2011, and it's not a nice feeling. I strongly believe in Bitcoin and other crypto assets and feel they're going to play a massive role in the future of money. The books I've read and the research I've done make me very bullish on Bitcoin. I finally get it. Just be careful, and I'll say it again, do your own research because your investments are your responsibility. Zoom out and think long term. If you chase quick, easy money, you'll be left disappointed. This is from my experience anyway. I chased quick, easy money with stocks and shares without doing research, premium bonds, football bets, whatever it was, it didn't work for me. You might get a bit too excited and checking your investments every 5 minutes. Again, this is another mistake I made, and it led to stress and anxiety. It's all doom and gloom, and panic start to set in. Now, this can happen with the current markets, with what's going on, FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. This is what happened to me in 2008. Don't let this be you. Get yourself educated and learn how to invest with skill. FOMO. FOMO might force you to steam in without looking into that particular investment, as I done back in 2010 with stocks and shares, as I've done time and time again. Don't let this be you. Don't invest because of FOMO. Please try and educate yourself. Zoom out and take a long-term view. This is what the experts recommend, and this is what I've found to be the best way of investing. The long-term approach takes the stress away. My strategy is long-term buy and hold with property, stocks and shares, and crypto. Beginners looking to invest. Many beginners buy high and sell low. So when the markets are going up, everyone jumps in, getting excited, they buy high. And when the markets are going down, everyone's panicking, they sell low. But the problem with this is you lock in your losses. If you dollar cost average, which I've already mentioned, you buy when it's high, you buy when it's on its way down, you buy when it's on its way up. So the theory is what you invest in will revert to the mean, will average out. So whatever the market's doing, you just forget about it because you know that eventually it's going to go up, or you have a strong belief because of the research you've done. So try not to buy high and sell low. This is what inexperienced investors do. This is what I've done in the past, but over the years I've learned not to do this, and I now do dollar cost averaging with crypto and stocks and shares. Why not buy when the price is low? Why not buy when the sales are on? People love going to the sales when JD or Next have 30 or 40% off, but many people they don't seem to like the sales when it comes to stocks and shares or crypto, and it's because they're panicking about what's going on in the market. Invest a small amount when you're just starting, like maybe 5% of what you use to invest. So if you're going to invest £1,000 per month, for example, that means you're going to put £50 a month into crypto, for example. Invest with money you're willing to lose. Educate yourself and maybe start with Bitcoin and Ethereum if you're wanting to get into crypto. And if you're able to, go to the sales and buy the dip. Whatever it is you invest in, try and take a long-term approach. I'm very bullish on crypto despite what's going on in the markets. Now, if you're a beginner, I would probably start with Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's what all the experts recommend when you read the books. The Bitcoin is sound money, it's hard money. And when you look at altcoins, Ethereum's legit and it's number 2 in terms of coin market cap. It's number 2 for a reason. A lot of projects are built on top of the Ethereum network, and it's worth researching. It's worth getting your head into. So if you're going to start investing in crypto, start with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, if you're panicking about investing, if it's the furthest thing from your mind, just try and have an open mind. Trust me, I've been through market crashes before. The dot-com bubble, when I was just starting to work, I didn't really know what was going on. The financial crisis of 2008, as I've already said, this led to 10 years of negativity around money and investing. I've been through COVID, when markets were crashing at the start of 2020, and I managed to remain calm during this period and continue to dollar cost average. This is what I wish I'd have been told in 2008. I wish someone would have told me to go away, educate yourself, research, whatever you're interested in, whether it's property, stocks and shares, crypto, whatever it is, research, double down on your research. Keep investing if possible. If you've got spare money at the end of the month, invest it, because it will make a massive difference to your financial future. Don't just stick it in a less than 1% savings account in your high street bank. Have an open mind and try and invest, even though markets are crashing, despite what's going on. try and keep investing, dollar cost average, read the books, keep an open mind, and try and be positive despite what's going on around us. That just about wraps up today's video. If you've liked the content, give it a like and tell your friends about it, especially if you're a beginner and you know other people who are just starting to invest but are unsure. This video contains useful information that might just nudge you towards investing despite what's going on. So that's it. Thanks for listening.